Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Maniology stamping starter kit to review. This one is the Winter Glee starter kit, and it comes with two stamping plates. This one is M041, which is a Christmas theme, and this one is M042, which is like a New Year's themed plate. They also have a bunch of other plates on their website that you can purchase. This kit also comes with a stamping guide, a holiday edition scraper, a holiday edition Monocle Stamper, and two stamping polishes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the blue protective film that's over the plates. So here's a closer look at the stamping plate M041, which is what we're going to use today. It has some Christmas tree images, some snowflake images, and some other fun Christmas images. So this one is M042, and this is the New Year's themed plate. It has some really fun firework images as well as some numbers. And as I mentioned, this kit also comes with two stamping polishes. This one is Blizzard and this one is It's Lit. And this is the holiday edition Monocle Stamper, so it's got a cover which is awesome to keep your stamper nice and clean. It's a clear jelly stamper, so it's got a little squishy head and it's a little sticky as well. It also comes with one of the more firmer scrapers that also has the same pattern as the Monocle Stamper. So first I'm going to use Blizzard as my base color. Even though it's a stamping polish, you could totally use it as regular nail polish, and it has amazing full coverage on that first coat, and it's a gorgeous deep blue. Next, I'm going to be stamping with this gold polish called It's Lit, and I'm going to first stamp the Let It Snow design. I'm going to cover the design in polish, scrape it off with the scraper, and pick it up using the Monocle Stamper. What's great about these clear stampers is that you can see exactly where you're placing your image. Next, I'm going to use the same gold polish to stamp some of the snowflakes around the Let It Snow design. I also applied some edge perfection around my nail for easy cleanup. For the rest of my nails, I'm just going to stamp a bunch of gold snowflakes. So first I'm going to apply edge perfection around my nail for easy cleanup. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to peel off the edge perfection from around my nail and apply a fast drying top coat to seal it all in. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Overall, I think this is a great stamping kit. It comes with everything you need to stamp. It comes with a stamper, a scraper, two great stamping polishes and stamping plates. And they also have a bunch of other designs of stamping plates and stamping polishes on their website at maniology.com, and you can get 10% off your purchase or $5 off a Mani by Me subscription box with my code CARAMEL10. I'll also leave a link in the description box below to where you can find this kit, and if you missed my last video, you can click your screen or the links in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!